Select the polygon tool. Select no color for the fill. And pick a stroke color. Press Shift and create the shape. Align the shape in the center. I use a stroke weight of 1. Go to Effect. Distort and Transform. Transform. Make the horizontal and vertical scale 95%. Make the angle 5.5 degrees. Make 120 copies. If you want, you can select Scale Strokes and Effects. Press Alt plus Shift and make the shape smaller. Go to Object. Pattern. Make. Tile type, brick by column. Adjust the width until the shapes are connected. Select Done. You can now remove the shape. Select the rectangle tool. Select the pattern for the fill. And select no color for the stroke. Fill your artboard with the pattern. And that's how you create this spiral pattern.